Have you purchased one of our Transit Custom front splitters and would like some help with fitting it to your van? Watch this video to see how it's done. This specific splitter fits directly under the original bumper of any Transit Custom from 2018 to 2023. The fittings supplied with this splitter are as follows: 8 self-tapping screws, 3 M6 hex head bolts, 3 M6 flange nuts and 8 M6 washers. Once you're ready to go, the first step is to offer the splitter up to your van's bumper and identify the correct placement and fitment. A second pair of hands will be needed to make sure the splitter is sitting correctly on the bumper. Ideally, using masking tape, secure the splitter into the correct position and ensure that you're happy with the placement. The first holes you need to drill are the pilot holes for the self-tapping screws. This diagram shows where these holes are located on the splitter. Using the pre-drilled holes in the splitter, drill 8 pilot holes into your bumper with a 3mm drill bit. Once you've drilled the required 8 pilot holes, screw the self-tapping screws into place using a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure that you use one of the provided washers with each screw. Once the self-tapping screws are secured, you will next need to fit the 3 M6 hex bolts. This diagram shows where these are located on the splitter. Drill through the far left, far right and centre pre-drilled holes in the splitter into the bumper of your van. Insert the far left, far right and centre M6 bolts. Don't forget to use a washer with these too. Screw on each flange nut and tighten with a ratchet or spanner until the splitter is secure. Check that each fixing is tightened securely and the splitter is sitting correctly all round. Once you've fitted every screw, tightened each M6 bolt and are happy with the fitment, you can remove the tape and admire your awesome new upgrade. If you have purchased a splitter for a different van, a similar fitting process will apply with fittings like we have shown in this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future helpful fitting videos like this one.